Once just a small part on the world map, Singapore blossomed from a scale-sized island into a global hub. And the remarkable journey of HDFC Bank is the mirror that tells the similar story. The transformation from local roots to an international banking giant proves that even the smallest origins can cast the largest shadows on success. Mirroring the dynamism that defines the global stage, Singapore has carved a niche for itself in the realm of innovation and modernity. Its synergy of tradition and technology through its efficient work processes, diverse culture, unwavering discipline, and a commitment to perfection, aligned with the same determination and unwavering work ethic that characterizes these technological hubs. We at HDFC Bank have reached remarkable heights in banking services fused with cutting-edge technology. Our commitment to placing customers at the forefront defines our business ethos. HDFC Bank's milestone is not just a mark on paper. It's a testament to our unwavering commitment to redefine standards. In the corridors of finance, HDFC Bank doesn't just tread, it paves the way, leaving footprints of innovation, customer centricity, and unparalleled dedication. Our greatness isn't measured in numbers alone. It's woven into the fabric of every success story, every satisfied customer, and every inspired individual. Our pursuit of success knows no bounds, reflecting an unyielding dedication to the future. Welcome to a realm where innovation meets excellence and discovers the transformative power of synergy. We are HDFC Bank.